Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is a contact lens haul. So I'm super excited. I haven't tried a new pair of contacts in a while. I do wear color contacts and prescription contacts, so this will be a mix of both. And it's a new brand. This brand is called lukureyes. Love the little packaging in the box. So thank you so much, Luxe, for sending over these contacts. Let's go ahead and jump right into them. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. All right, so we will open this cute little box up. Oh, look at the inside, is cute too. Adorable. Oh my gosh, even the little poppers are heart-shaped. That is too cute. I've never seen that before. It looks like we've got 4 pairs of contacts and 4 contact cases. So this is what the box looks like. It says Marjorie. We have royal blue, cream brown, nature green, and nature brown. We will start with royal blue that you kind of just push in, push the tab in, open up the box, and remove the contacts from the inside. And my prescription is -2, okay? This is what they look like. Oh wow, that's really bright. That is so bright, it's almost scary. Okay, sorry, I had to go get a paper towel because I felt my eye was about to start watering. So this is the difference between the 2 eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. So this is color royal blue, and to be honest, you guys, these are very bright for my taste, but they are pretty. Absolutely pretty if you are bold enough to rock these. For me, these will definitely be photos and pictures only. I probably wouldn't wear these outside, but I think they would look really, really pretty with like an ice queen look or like gray hair or light blonde hair. I think this would be a really cute look. To the next one, these ones are cream brown. And this is what cream brown looks like in the package. All right, so that is one eye in. They almost look gray to me. Not as much brown, but like gray. So this is, which one is this? Cream brown. All right, let's move on to the next one, nature green. And that is nature green. Normally when they're too bright, I'm not like crazy about it, but this one is actually really bright, but I really like it. I don't know why. I think because green is my favorite color. One of my favorite colors. You get a little closer. Definitely like these. I think these are pretty, even though they're a bit much and extra, but I could definitely see me rocking these for sure. And this is what nature brown looks like in the pack. Love this. This is definitely the one. What is this one called? Nature brown. So I think I like the nature collection better. This was nature green and nature brown, and I already feel like this is definitely my standout favorite one. All right, so that is the last one. And this is nature brown. I really, really like this one. This is definitely my favorite of all the sets. So let me move a little closer. Don't mind my eyes are a little bit red because I've been putting contacts in and out. but of all the colors, this is the one that I will wear absolutely every day. This is like an everyday look for me. This video is sponsored by Luxe. Thank you so much, Luxe Eyes, for sending over these contacts. Definitely loving them. Let me know which one was you guys' favorite. Make sure you're subscribed, share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a color contact lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.